Hello everyone. So today we will do our part 2 of chapter number 2, the Northern Mountain Wall. First topic is life in the northern mountains. Number 1 is Jammu and Kashmir. It is the crown of India and lies in the lap of Himalayas. It is also called paradise on earth. And why it is called paradise? Paradise means heaven. Because there are beautiful valleys, beautiful climate, so that is why it is called paradise on earth. In August 2019, it was bifurcated into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In the year 2019, it was bifurcated. Bifurcated means it was divided into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Srinagar has famous Dal Lake, a large number of houseboat and shikaras in this lake. Main occupation is agriculture. Terrace fields are used for producing rice, maize and rajma. Terrace field means terrace farming on a series of steps. Some people practice animal rearing and grazing. People speak Kashmiri, Dogri and Urdu. So these are the main languages which are spoken in Kashmir. Then we have Jammu and Kashmir. This is the exact map of Jammu and Kashmir, which is no longer a state now. It is having now two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The carpets and pashmina shawls of Kashmir are world famous. The carpet and pashmina shawl. Popular dresses for men and women are phiran, a long woolen loose gown. They also keep kangri under the phiran so as to keep themselves warm. Now, what is the meaning of kangri? It is a small earthen pot with burning coal in it. It is a small earthen pot. They keep burning coal in it so that they can keep themselves warm. Kahwa is a special kind of tea, is the special drink of Kashmiris. Famous places to visit in Kashmir are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Amarnath Cave and Vaishno Devi Temple. Famous places in Jammu and Kashmir are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Amarnath Cave and Vaishno Devi Temple. And the main festivals are Eid and Shivratri. Then we have Himachal Pradesh. Here is Jammu and Kashmir. Here we have Himachal Pradesh. Here is then Uttarakhand. Okay, so we are talking about the northern mountains. So first is Jammu and Kashmir, then Himachal Pradesh and then Uttarakhand. So Himachal Pradesh, the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Main occupation is farming. Many people rear sheep and goats. Main crops are rice, barley and maize. Are plums and apples. Main languages are Pahari and Hindi. Main festival Dussehra. Dussehra is popular festival in Himachal Pradesh. Hill stations to visit Pradesh are Manali and Shimla. Women wears pajama long top. Men wear pajama with loose shirt. Then we have Uttarakhand. The capital is Dehradun. The Ganga and Yamuna originate in Uttarakhand. Main occupation is agriculture. People also join Indian military. It is also Dehradun. Stations to visit in are Turi and Nainital, two hill stations. Others are Almora, Badrinath and Kedarnath. And main languages are Hindi, Garhwali. Here was Kashmir. Then this is Himachal Pradesh and this is Uttarakhand. Next state we have Sikkim. Here is Sikkim in the north. Has been derived from the word Sukkim, meaning happy homeland. Sukkim, Sukh, happy homeland. Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, flattened hill. Kanchenjunga, the third largest peak in the Himalayas, lies in Sikkim. Most of the people living here are Buddhist. Rumtek Monastery is a landmark of Sikkim. Now what is Rumtek Monastery? Rumtek is a name. And what is the meaning of monastery? It is a place reserved for prayer. Monks and nuns do prayers in monasteries. The mask dance of Sikkim is very famous. People used to wear mask and then they will start dancing. Okay, so that is the mask dance of Sikkim is very famous. Next we have Darjeeling. Darjeeling we have here in West Bengal. The north of West Bengal, here we have Darjeeling. It is the north of West Bengal. It is famous for hill stations. Darjeeling tea is world famous. The Tiger Hill is a place worth visiting in Darjeeling. Here was Sikkim and here we have in West Bengal, Darjeeling. Then our next topic is the northern eastern states. The northern eastern state in east part. We are having 7 states. Name of the states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Again I am repeating Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. These 7 states are also known as 7 sisters. Now why do we call them 7 sisters? Because these states are interdependent on each other. So that is why we are calling them 7 sisters. First state is Assam. Assam is the largest state. Here is the Assam. As you can see, Assam is the largest state among the 7 sisters. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam is famous for tea. Main festival of Assam is Bihu and people speak Assamese. Second we have Arunachal Pradesh. Here is Arunachal Pradesh. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The Brahmaputra river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. The people depends upon agriculture and forest produce for their livelihood. Next is Nagaland. The capital is Kohima. The Nagas are mainly farmers and hunters and they wear colorful clothes. Here is Nagaland. Then we have Meghalaya and Mizoram. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The word Meghalaya means abode of clouds and most of the people belongs to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. Next is Mizoram. Mizoram means the land of hill people. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Most of the people are educated in Mizoram. Educated. The literary rate is much in Mizoram. Then we have Manipur. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. Manipur is situated to the south of Nagaland. Main occupation is farming and weaving. Famous dance is Manipuri dance. And Manipuris also make bamboo, cane and leather goods. And the last state we have, that is Tripura. The word Tripura means the 3 cities. Tripura is surrounded on 3 sides by Bangladesh. The 4th side share a common boundaries with Assam and Mizoram. Here is Tripura. So 2 boundaries it is sharing. One side it is sharing with Assam and Mizoram and 3 sides it is surrounded with Bangladesh. Capital of Tripura is Agartala. Main languages are Bengali and Kokbarek, spoken by the majority of tribals in Tripura. Main crops are jute, cotton and oilseed. Bamboo is used for making huts, toys and handicraft. So this was your chapter, the Northern Mountain Wall. Read your chapter and understand the topic.